Today, we're disassembling an ASUS Zenfone 10. Back then, it was known as a small flagship phone. Right now, it can't read SIM cards. We'll fix that by replacing the SIM reader subboard. First, let's heat it up with the PolarTech Magic Self-Heating Pad for about 10 minutes. Here's our toolbox. All the tools we need are right here. Start by using a blade to make a tiny gap. Then, drop a bit of alcohol in there. Once there's a gap, slide in a plastic pick. Work your way around the edges to loosen it up. If it feels stuck, just add more alcohol. The back cover is plastic, so don't worry, just go for it. The plastic back cover comes off pretty easily. There are 15 screws in total. This one on top is a shorter screw, so take note. All right, let's take off the motherboard bracket. Always disconnect the battery BTB first. Now, let's remove the subboard bracket. This part here is also the speaker module. Unplug all the BTB connectors. Oh, don't forget to take out the SIM tray first. Here's the SIM card reader. And here's the new subboard. Before installing, use tweezers to push this little latch back in place. Now, let's put the new board in. Slide the bottom in first. Then, snap both BTB connectors into place. Reattach the subboard bracket. Next, connect the battery BTB again. Double-check that all connectors are firmly in place. Then, reinstall the motherboard bracket. Screw everything back down. Plug in the charger. Let's power it on and test it. Looks like everything's working fine. Now, snap the back cover back on. For a better seal, clamp it down for a couple of hours. Don't forget the SIM tray. And that's it, repair complete. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.